In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to PDF editing, this guide will help you effortlessly load your documents into Acrobat for viewing or editing. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Adobe Acrobat. If it's not already installed on your computer, make sure to download and install it from Adobe's official website. Once you've got it up and running, double-click the Adobe Acrobat icon on your desktop or find it in your applications list to open the program. This should bring you to the main interface where you'll see several options for managing your PDFs. Next, look towards the top left corner of the window and click on the File menu. A drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options for managing your documents. From this list, select Open. This action prompts a new window to pop up, allowing you to browse through your files. Now, navigate through your computer's directories to locate the PDF you wish to add. You might have it saved in your Documents folder on your desktop, or maybe even in a dedicated folder for PDF files. As you browse, keep an eye on the file types listed in the dialog box to ensure you're selecting the correct PDF. Once you find the file, simply click on it to highlight your choice. After you've selected the file, look for the Open button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Clicking this button will load your selected PDF into Adobe Acrobat. You should see the document appear in the main workspace, ready for you to view, edit, or annotate as you please. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've successfully added a PDF file into Adobe Acrobat. This process is straightforward, yet it's an essential skill for anyone working with digital documents. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to repeat these steps to become more familiar with the process. If you ever run into any issues, double-check to ensure your PDF file isn't corrupted or locked, as these factors can sometimes prevent successful loading. Additionally, keeping your Adobe Acrobat software up to date will help you avoid any compatibility issues with newer PDF file formats. Thank you for watching this guide on how to add a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now more confident in managing your PDF documents. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy editing!